Wondering where your save files are for Assassin's Creed 2 on AnkerGames? Let's take a quick look. First, launch Assassin's Creed 2 and create at least one save. This ensures the game sets up the save folder on your PC. All games on AnkerGames store their saves locally. Your progress in Assassin's Creed 2 is safe, even if you reinstall the game or the launcher. I'll show you where the save files for Assassin's Creed 2 are located. These paths only apply to games from AnkerGames. Other sources may use different locations. You can back up your Assassin's Creed 2 saves by copying the folder. Save it on a USB or cloud drive and restore it anytime. That's it. Your Assassin's Creed 2 which tips are local, secure, and easy to manage. Follow for more tips to get the most out of your games.